afternoon, Indira Shah here. Let me show you how to make Mysore Pak. Okay, for Mysore Pak you need any one measurement of this is gram flour, kadle hittu. Okay, I have taken this measurement and the same measurement 2 glass of sugar here. Okay, and you need 3 ghee here. Ghee, I have just freshly made ghee. Just this morning I made it. So whenever I make ghee, I make it a point to make Mysore Pak. Okay, and you need about 1.5 cup of water for making syrup. First, what you have to do is fry the 1 cup of gram flour. Okay, you should fry it till you get the aroma or till it just turns light pink, very light pink. It shouldn't become brown. Okay. See, you have to fry it in medium to low flame, but not in high flame, okay? And don't make it very brown. You should just start, see, now the color has changed. You can put off the flame. Put off the flame. In the same heat, you can just fry it for about 2 minutes. The flame is off. It's not on, okay? The gas is off. I'm getting the aroma of the gram flour. I've taken 1 cup of gram flour, 2 cups of sugar and almost 3 cups of ghee. The melted ghee, okay? So now let me shift this to a plate. See, now inga cut. See here, in the same cup we have to take almost 1.5 cups of water to make syrup. Okay? Now add the 2 cups of sugar. Now let me put on the stove. Let me just put on the stove. You have to make this, the syrup should be 1 thread consistency, okay? I'll just show you how to make 1 thread consistency. When the sugar dissolves, you have to keep on stirring it. Otherwise, what happens is, the sugar just sticks to the pan. Then your Mysore Pak will, when you eat the Mysore Pak, you will get the granules, the sugar granules. So, keep stirring it till the sugar dissolves. Then you can allow the sugar syrup to get 1 thread consistency, because that's very important. The consistency of the sugar syrup is very important. So keep stirring till the sugar melts completely. The syrup is boiling, it is still not done. You can see, see, you will get a thread-like continuity. See, it is just falling. Okay, it's not done. Another maybe 3-4 minutes. See, are you able to see? Now the continuity is coming. So you can check it by hand also. Here, take it and here, see. Now this is done, okay? Now add 1 cup of ghee first, okay? Now immediately you have to add the flour. Immediately, and keep stirring. Never give up, never. You have to continuously stir it. It should be continuous. And in the meantime, here take a plate and grease it. Okay? See, See, you have to keep on stirring. Now let me add another cup of ghee. You can also prepare it using any vegetable oil. If you don't want to add ghee, you can add oil, or you can mix oil and ghee together, half. It's your choice. See, you have to keep on stirring it, okay? Stirring is very necessary. This will start leaving the pan. Once it starts leaving the pan, immediately you have to transfer it to a greased plate. Okay? You can measure the ghee and keep it aside, okay? So because I know the measurement, I've been doing it, so you can measure it. See, now this is started, following me. As I go, this comes just behind your spatula. See. When it starts leaving the pan, so I have kept the greased plate ready. You try with a very small cup for the first time, and you feel that you're fine with it, you're confident, then you can increase the quantity of the measurement of the cup. This making Mysore pak actually is very tricky. See, you have to continuously stir it. You can change hands if you feel that your hands are, sometimes it pains, sometimes aches. See, now it's started leaving the sides of the pan. Yeah. So this is done now. Okay. Now you have to transfer it to the greased plate. You can see the holes also coming. I have put off the stove. Now Now take little and put it over. Now allow it to cool for about 5 minutes and then we will cut it. Okay, I'll come back to you. Now let me just cut it. Okay, I will not remove it now because it should get cooled. Yesterday was my grandson Vivan, not Vivan, sorry, அவன் பேர் என்ன மறந்துவிட்டேன். My grandson Nivan's birthday. We fondly call him as Mino. So what happens when we call them with such names, we tend to forget the real name. So it was Nivan's birthday and I wanted to prepare this, but then I didn't get the fresh butter to make ghee. So this is specially made for my sweetie pie Mino. This is for him. Happy birthday, Mino. So I'll just come back to you after 2 minutes to just show you how soft it is. See here, I am able to take it. Okay, so now let me just put it in a plate and show you. Here the yummy Mysore pak is ready. You can see here how soft it is. You can just see here. This is melt in the mouth. So thank you watching. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button and the bell button for more notification. Because I'll be coming up with many more recipes, not only on cooking, on many things like gardening, gardening tips, homekeeping and home solutions and many more. So thank you very much again. If you have any suggestions, you're most welcome to either inbox me or message me, whatever it is, or call me even. I don't mind at all. So thank you again. This is with Vela. Bye bye.